Hi everyone, my name is Rai from Amazon Academy PH. I know a lot of you have been asking what is Amazon selling? What is this online arbitrage business model? So today I'm going to show you how it works. So this is you. This is an online store in the USA. This is Amazon USA. This is a prep center in the USA. And then this one is the Amazon warehouse. And they are your customers. So here's how it works. You are going to find a profitable product in this online store that you are allowed to sell in this Amazon marketplace. And then after buying that product, you are going to send it to the prep center. They are the ones who will prepare your products, who will pack your products, put it in a poly bag or bubble wrap. After that, they are going to send it to the Amazon warehouse. And then after sending it to the Amazon warehouse, you are just going to wait for it to get sold. Okay? And then after, when it does get sold, Amazon will be the one who send it to your customers. So if you want to learn more about this online arbitrage business model, you can just send us a message to Amazon Academy PH Facebook page.
Hello po sa inyo lahat, ako po si Rai at gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung business opportunity na binigay ni Amazon sa akin. I know konti pa lang yung gumagawa nito na Pinoy, kaya medyo unfamiliar siguro kayo sa business na ito. It's called Amazon Online Arbitrage. Bale, yung business naka-based siya technically outside the Philippines like USA, Canada, or Mexico. Kaya you earn in dollars. Yung profit mo, bale dollars. Pero kahit nasa Pilipinas ka, kwarto, sa sasakyan, or anywhere, as long as may internet, makakapag-operate ka remotely. Nung nag-start ako 2 years ago, bumibili rin ako ng mga courses para may makapag-guide sa akin. Kaso may mga technicalities na di nila masagot kasi nga nasa Pilipinas ako. So bale yung 2 years na learning ko, 2 weeks lang kinuha ng mga students ko dito sa Amazon Academy. Kasi alam kong full support at full knowledge yung binibigay ko sa kanila. Sa Amazon Online Arbitrage kasi hindi mo kailangang mangumbinse ng customer, hindi mo kailangan maghanap ng customer, hindi mo kailangang mag-market, paid advertisement, hindi mo kailangan yun. Hindi mo kailangang mag-ship at pack ng products kasi wala sa'yo yung products, no? Wala sa'yo yung products na nasa US na yung products mo. All you need to do is just operate it remotely. Kaya kung gusto mong matuto sa business na to, just message us on our Facebook page, Amazon Academy PH. Bye!